Hey, welcome to So Awkward. It's me, Don.
I'm Jester.
And we have
a Wrigley's Hubba Bubba Cluckers.
it's the wind-up chicken that walks and lays bubblegum eggs. I saw it at the supermarket today, so I bought it. It was $2. It's a wind-up chicken that walks and lays bubblegum eggs. How to fill your Cluckers bubblegum dispenser. Number 1, slide back door to reveal opening. Number 2, insert 4 bubblegum eggs. That's not exciting. Number 3, slide back door to closed position. Number 4, wind up and place on level surface. Cluckers is ready to go. Seriously? See how many, forget about 4s. Just, come on, shove them in there. See what you can get in there. Oh, 4.
4 is all.
Oh man, oh man. That's 4.
It didn't go very far.
No. They don't really fit. Maybe I just broke it.
Do we have to eat all the gum?
It's not very good gum.
No.
It's the kind of gum that after 30 seconds your jaw starts to hurt.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever heard that expression, hours of fun? What's the opposite of that? So would you recommend Hubba Bubba Cluckers bubblegum chicken?
No.
Bye. It's the wind-up chicken that walks and lays eggs, bubblegum eggs. Wait, I feel like I said that wrong.
Oh.